In this video, I will be showing you how to check for updates and update your macOS to the latest version. So let's get started. For this, to the leftmost top, you'll be having the Apple logo. Click it and select System Settings. And if you're having any updates, as you can see, it shows software update available. In case if you want to double check, just go to General and we'll be having here software update. Click it. So as you can see, in my case, I am having this particular update. Here we are having all the details what this update is about. In case if you don't get anything like this, that means your system is up to date. Here we are having two options. One is update tonight and update now. I will just go with this one, and we can just read it through and click on agree. Just enter the password. So this will take some time to download. Just be patient. I have restarted my system. I will just go to System Settings and to the same one, General and Software Update. And this time, as you can see, I'm getting your Mac is up to date. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.